Hey guys, Ray again. Another YouTube buddy of mine, Shogun Jimmy, is doing a skull challenge. So Shogun Jimmy asked me if I would sponsor his challenge with one of my gear spinners. And I said, I'm not going to do that. Why would I do that? But I am going to sponsor your skull challenge with a custom skull spinner. That's right, I'm making a custom skull spinner for Shogun Jimmy's skull challenge so he can give it away to his winner. I'm not sure who's going to win this thing. I'm not sure what the criteria is, but somebody out there is going to get the skull spinner, the custom skull spinner that I'm making just for this challenge. If you don't know who Shogun Jimmy is, I'm going to put a link to his channel and the challenge playlist in the description of this video. There it is, the rock and roll creep show, which is what I like to call this pattern, skull spinner. Now, it's not the most balanced spinner. It was very difficult to get this perfectly balanced, and that means that it's actually not balanced. But it's not bad. Single hand spins are possible. I'm just not good at this. There you are. It does fit in the hand right there, as you can see. And you'll notice when you do a two-hand spin that it is not balanced. You can see it wobbles. It's not perfectly balanced, but honestly, when you think about it, I'm surprised it's balanced at all. So I'm sending one of these to Shogun Jimmy for his skull challenge. If you're interested in participating, please do see the link in the description of the video and in the cards in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to make sure that you can get to it because he's doing an awesome challenge. I have nothing to do with his challenge or giveaway except sponsoring one of these guys. I'm going to give one to Jimmy, Shogun Jimmy, for his challenge, and I'm keeping the other one for myself. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on all my future videos. Thanks.